So the songstress, or once songstress, Mariah Carey, recently performed at the Jazz and Blues Festival here in Jamaica, and it will be a performance that we will remember for a very, very long time. Now, based on the reports coming out of the media and from patrons of the event, the performance was fucking horrible. Now, the reason people are saying her performance was basically total shit was because instead of presenting her voice like we Jamaicans know Mariah Carey's voice to be, she came here and she lip-synced. Now, based on the footage which is on WorldStar and on YouTube, she was not even trying to lip-sync properly. She was forgetting parts of the song. Mariah Carey was all round fucking up. Now, Mariah, we know you don't need a lot of things for Christmas, but this year on your wish list, you better ask for your voice back, okay? Now, I don't know if it's a case where the promoters only had lip sync money and not the Mariah Carey voice money. Well, what's left of her voice money? Now, after what happened at the Christmas NBC performance, we all should have expected this. Remember the same performance where Mariah was desperately trying to hit some high notes, but just like her husband, you know, her voice just up and left. Now, somebody please put out an Amber, aka Ananda as we call it here in Jamaica, alert for Mariah Carey's voice, because it has gone missing. People, nobody wants to say this, so let me just get it out there. Mariah Carey is old, alright? She is almost on the brink of extinction. She is not able to hit the high notes like young Mariah. She is forgetting her lyrics and all kinds of shit. It's time for her to find a nice assisted living home and chill the fuck out. Knit a few sweaters, a few gloves, a few Rasta tams. Just go do some old people stuff. You have done all you can in the singing thing. You have accomplished a lot of things. We can't disregard that. But I think it's time for you to just quit. Fucking quit and stop giving these shitty ass performances. Leave singing alone. It's obvious that you can't manage certain notes anymore. You don't have the energy. You are not young Mariah. Mariah, take my advice. Do like Bow Wow. Change your career. Bow Wow saw that the rap shit was not working out. He said, fuck it, I am out. I rap no more. I don't know who this Bow Wow is. Bitch, my name is Shad Moss. I am an actor now. I don't rap no more. I am delivered. And Mariah, to be truthful, I can see you acting a few MILF roles in some of these college movies. And that should be perfect for you because we know you like them young. And Mariah, if you don't want to do the MILF scenes, you could audition for a position in the next Life Alert ad. All you need to be able to say is, I've fallen and can't get up. You must have, like, voice left for that. Listen to me, people. If you want the old Mariah of yesteryears and not the old Mariah of now, then you better go and buy her old albums, because the Mariah that we knew is not the Mariah that we know now in terms of her vocal ability. And by the way, there's a new Mariah Carey in town. Her name is Ariana Grande. Let's just say that, all right? She is sounding more like Mariah Carey than Mariah Carey. Shit. Young Thug is sounding more like Mariah Carey than Mariah Carey. Before I go, I just want you guys to show Mariah Carey the exit so she can get the fuck up on out of here with that goddamn bullshit ass performance at the Jazz and Blues Festival. This is Kevin Too Crazy. This is Newsflash. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and also subscribe. I'm gone, bitch!